Most people have no idea that Facebook can actually pay you to post, but here's the problem. Even the people who do know this, they're still barely making $0. And it's not because they're not posting, and it's not because of the algorithm. It's because they're missing this one critical piece. I've seen posts get thousands, even hundreds of thousands of views and still barely even make $1. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that's happening, what Facebook is actually paying for, and how to fix it so your posts can turn into real income. Once you understand this, you can finally stop guessing and start building something that actually makes money and turn it into a long-lasting business. First, let's clear this one thing up. Posting on Facebook does not equal money. And this is where most people are getting it totally wrong. They think if I just post enough, something is eventually going to happen. But in reality, posting without a system is really just noise and busy work. So you must understand that Facebook is paying for attention, likes, comments, shares, watch time. And that's the true driver behind everything. But even when you do start getting that attention, there's still a huge problem that most people don't actually see. There's actually a gap between attention and income, and I just like to call this the monetization gap, and most people never close it. Because here's what's happening. You post something, it gets some engagement, people scroll, they leave, and they never see you again. No clicks, no action, no money. It's not because your content is bad, you're just not giving people the next steps. And I'm going to break it down into 3 simple mistakes. Mistake number 1 is not having a true strategy. No niche, no direction, no research, and no consistency because you don't understand the big picture. What is actually working is relatable content, emotional content, shareable content, and things that actually make people feel something to their core, because emotion is what always drives engagement. And mistake number 2, you don't actually understand what Facebook is paying for. Again, it's not actually posting, it's engagement signals. The more people are interacting with you, the more Facebook is going to help you out and push your posts out further to new people. And the more Facebook pushes your content out to new people, the more you can actually earn from the platform itself. But even then, this is where people get stuck, they cap their income, and they don't keep growing. And mistake number 3 is no monetization layer. And this is the biggest one. Because even if you start getting views, you're still not going to start making any real money if you don't have something connected to your content. So most people have no product, no offer, no direction to serve their audience. So all the attention and hard work literally just disappears. Here's how to fix that. Join me over on my computer and I'm going to walk you through this step by step. Step 1, you have to create content that is actually going to get attention. And this is your foundation right here. You want relatable posts, quotes, humor, faith-based content, anything that people will share. And that takes research. Understand why it's going viral, and then repeating it over and over again. So I use this tool called Post Planner, and as you can see, it improves your social media posts in 3 steps. Step 1, you connect your social media accounts, and this connects with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, all of the platforms. You're able to search viral content related to your niche, and then you're able to schedule and publish it for full automation, right? So we're automating things over here. Research and create all of your content for the upcoming week. Set it and forget it. And then there's also an optional activate recycling tool that can publish evergreen content on your account literally forever. And that takes 5 seconds to set up. So to me, this tool is priceless. This is what helped me go from 0 to 370,000 followers on my theme page in 1 year. I really couldn't have done it without this tool. And so you can set up a free account with my link down below in the description. This is priceless. My page would have not grown that fast if I had not plugged in to this tool right here. So that is step 1. Once you have the content, step 2, you need to build momentum. This is where consistency comes in. Most people quit way too early. And there are 2 things that help me build momentum. Number 1 is finding related Facebook groups to my niche that are large and that have a ton of activity, lots of active members engaging. So for example, if you're in, say, the fitness or health and wellness niche, you could look for gym-based groups. This one has 527,000 members. And if you scroll through, you want to find a lot of posts with a ton of engagement to let you know that if you share content into these groups, then YouTube will be able to get more followers and start building a real community. Pages that win, they post a lot, right? They test, they research, and then they refine. You have to train your algorithm what your page is about, and you can do that, like I said, by engaging in these Facebook groups and engaging with the right people for your intended audience. And then step 3, you want to attach monetization layers aside from just getting paid by Facebook to post. That is the foundation. That is the beginning. Researching the content, posting the content, engaging in the groups. And then once you're getting the attention, you need to add additional income streams. And so that can be affiliate marketing, that can be print on demand, it can be digital products. And so here's some stats from my Etsy store. And in this store, I do print on demand, digital products that I created, and also physical products. So here's an example of a listing that the traffic came from my theme page. This listing got 6,000 views, 103 favorites, 723 orders, and $14,000 in revenue. And then we have our next listing here. This one got 1,900 views, 329 orders, 6,700 in revenue, and I can keep going down and down and down. 800 views, almost 3,000 in revenue. 2,400 views, almost 2,600 in revenue. Then we have 369 views, 1,400 in revenue, right? So this is the power of creating a theme page, putting out content that people engage with, and then turning it into multiple income streams. Now, of course, bear in mind, income is never guaranteed. Yes, it takes work. Yes, it takes skill, but this is something anyone can learn who is committed to showing up and treating this like a business, getting mentorship, right? I work with a lot of people on a daily basis in my mentorship group in order to generate results. So one of the easiest places to start is with Printify. Also free to get started here. I started using Printify all the way back in like 2018, and this has been completely priceless for my business because you don't need to hold any inventory, you don't need any upfront money, and you can create content based on your content on your Facebook page that you know people already like, and get that in front of your audience. So you're building a business, you're building a brand and a community, and you can back that up with products that you create completely tailored to your audience. So Printify has over 10 million sellers using this platform. So that right there alone tells you it is fantastic. You get to choose from over 1,300 different types of products, add your design, and then you can simply start selling. Whether it's on Etsy, I just showed you some of my Etsy stats, or whether it is through a Printify pop-up shop, which is 100% free, you can do it either way. Now, pros and cons. If I had to choose, I would definitely choose to sell my Printify products on Etsy because you also get buyers from their marketplace, and Etsy will send you tons of buyers, and then your theme page audience is just an added bonus. Now, if you don't have funds, say for the Etsy listing fees, or to open an Etsy shop, which is $29, or to upfront the cost of shipping the items from Printify to your customer before Etsy pays you out what you've earned, then and only then would I suggest a Printify pop-up shop, right? If you're low on funds to get your business up and going, Printify pop-up shop. If you have $29 to open a shop and 20 cents per listing, then I would definitely go with Etsy. Let's say that you have a winning post on Facebook, such as this one from this motivation page, 2,200 likes. People clearly like this. Then this can go on a t-shirt, a tote bag, a mug. You can turn it into a really cool design without being a designer by using a platform like Kittl, which I did a full tutorial on last week. I will link that down below. Really, with the use of AI, you don't need to be that skilled. You just need to know very simple steps of using AI to help you create products that people will actually buy. And your Facebook page will be giving you the data of what people like. It is really that simple. I really want to encourage you to get started with Printify as soon as possible. You don't need to wait until you have 100,000 followers to set up your Printify store. You can do that right out of the gate. Start sharing products with your audience based on what they are telling you that they like from your content. I've been using Printify since way before 2018, one of my all-time favorite platforms for making money online. Most people are just out here chasing views, but the people who are actually making money, they're building systems behind those views. And once you understand that and start implementing this, everything changes. So if you're ready to start building out your system step by step and turn your content into something that actually pays you consistently, make sure that you're subscribed. And if you really want to take this deeper, I would love to see you in my full program with my other students, the ones who are taking action, who are getting results, and joining in all of the fun energy. I would love to see you in there with us. We do a live coaching 2 times per month on Zoom. We answer questions all day, every day inside of our private Facebook group. I'll have all of those resources linked for you down below. But you can start here for free on my YouTube channel. I have tons of step-by-step tutorials. So start with this. Start posting, start learning what is working, and most importantly, start connecting your content to other income streams. And this is the difference between those who post and those who actually get paid and go on to turn this into a real business. If you enjoyed this one, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.